Hi friends, this is 5 Minutes Tech YouTube channel. Here is Samsung Galaxy A13 smartphone. In this video, you will learn how you can switch off or power off your phone Samsung Galaxy A13. First of all, long press this side key. This is power button and just long press it. And click on power off here. Click on power off again and your phone will be switched off. Just wait few seconds. You will experience one vibration. Then you can make sure that your phone is switched off. To switch on your phone again, you have to press this side key. You have to long press this side key now. I long press this side key to start my phone again, and Samsung Galaxy logo appears, secured by Knox. It will ask you to enter your pattern already if you have set any pattern. So after switch off and then if you switch on your phone, definitely the pattern will be asked for authentication. Otherwise any people can switch off your phone and switch on again and they will misuse. So for the security purpose, it will surely ask pattern for authentication. Just wait few seconds. Still I am waiting, it takes longer time. Still going on optimizing apps. So before I done software update and I think it will be continuing. Yes, it is asked, pattern is asked now and you have to put your pattern for authentication. Phone is starting. Yes, it's done. So in this way, you can easily switch off or power off your phone Samsung Galaxy A13. Also, in the notification area, you will see power off option. Click it. Click it and you can switch off your phone. That's all friends. Thanks for watching. So you have two options. One is using this power key and using soft key from notification area. You have to swipe 2 times down on the notification and you will see that that icon, power off icon, and you can also use it for restarting your phone or power off your phone. That's all friends. Bye.